I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Slides. Google Slides doesn't include a dark theme, so I use a browser extension called Dark Reader. I'm opening a new Chrome tab and typing Chrome Web Store into the address bar. When the web store opens, I'm clicking the search box in the top left and typing Dark Reader. The results list will load with several dark mode extensions and a bunch of lookalikes. I'm skipping the sponsored results at the top and clicking the one named Dark Reader with the black shield icon. That's the one I use. On the extension page, the blue Add to Chrome button is on the right. I'm clicking that. Chrome opens an Add Extension dialog and asks for permission to read and change site data. That permission is normal for a dark mode extension because it has to apply a filter to the slides page. I'm clicking Add Extension. The install finishes fast, and now Dark Reader shows up inside the extensions menu. Now I'm opening Google Slides. I'll type slides.google.com into the address bar and press Enter. The Slides homepage loads, and if you're already signed in, it shows your recent presentations. I'm opening the one I want to darken. The slide deck opens, but the background doesn't change yet. It only changes after you enable the extension on this tab. So I'm clicking the extensions icon in the top right of the browser toolbar, the puzzle piece. The drop-down opens and shows Dark Reader in the list. I'm clicking Dark Reader. The extension pop-up appears with a big on toggle at the top, and I'm clicking that toggle. You might see a quick flash while the filter applies. Now the slide, the left film strip, and the toolbar all flip to dark. Click the Dark Reader icon again to open that same pop-up. If the dark filter makes your charts look muddy, drag the brightness slider up a little and the contrast slider down a little. The default dark mode is strong on red and orange text, so this is the fix I reach for first. While that pop-up is open, I can also darken only slides and leave everything else alone. I'm clicking the Site List button at the bottom of the pop-up, then choosing Not for this site. That sends the Slides tab back to light while every other site keeps Dark Reader. Toggle it back on the same way. One last thing, because people ask this right after, I'm flipping the Dark Reader toggle off and on while the slide is open. The file itself stays white. This filter only changes how your browser displays it, and anyone you share it with still sees the standard white background. If this got dark mode working for you, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.